Hello, my Johnson Community College English 111 students, summer 2019, week 7. Look at us almost being done. Hang in there. We are getting towards the finish line. So if you look, you're like, wow, there's not a lot to do this week. Well, we're kind of done introducing new concepts. And now we're just finishing up on the final kind of assignments that we're working on. So last week you were introduced to Compare Contrast Paper 2, which is basically a combination of the Compare Contrast 1 paper and argument paper, not necessarily topic-wise, but concept-wise, where we're going to be doing a Compare Contrast paper, but you need to do research to back up the points that you're going to be making. And you had a journal last week where you gave me your topic. So now you get to actually write that paper, and by July 1st, you need to upload your first draft to the discussion board like we've done before, right there. Boop, okay. And that says rubric was found in week 5. Yeah, no, that's going to be the rubric for the next week. I will change that once I get done making this video. So you know the drill on how to do these peer reviews by now, so we don't need to spend a lot of time on that. So there is a thing. So, and then the other thing you get to do is upload your argument paper. Woohoo! So you have a couple weeks to work on that. So your argument paper is due. Click on here again, click on view the rubric, make sure you go through the rubric and make sure that you've done the best you possibly can to earn all the points you possibly can. That is a thing. And once again, you're going to click on I agree and upload. Again, this is not the first time we've uploaded a paper. Now notice, normally that we have our assignments due on Thursday nights, but because Thursday is the 4th of July, I've actually had the 5th of July being the deadline for that, and we will review that and see when we go back to this thing. So that's why it says note, because normally we do have things due on Thursday night, but now we have things due on Friday night. I'm giving you one extra day because I shouldn't have stuff due on the 4th of July. Now, some of you are like, but I'm going to be out of town for the 4th of July weekend. Okay. I don't know if I really said this in this class yet, but the deadline doesn't mean you have to do it that day. That is when it's the very last possible day. It's like taxes, April 15th. Yes, that's the last day to do taxes, but you don't have to wait till April 15th to do your taxes. You can do them starting in February, okay? So if you wait to the last minute to do assignments and stuff comes up, well, that's on you. That's not on me. This stuff has all been created before the class even started. So yeah, there's that. And then to help you with your compare contrast peer reviews, here is the peer review sheet. Okay, so that's where you would click on this, download this document, and it'll help you figure out what you should be looking for when you're giving feedback to your peers when it comes to the Compare Contrast 2 paper. So that's what's going on here for week 7. And go ahead and get your papers done and write your other paper, and then hang in there. We're just about done with the class. You can do this. You're close enough now. You can see the finish line. And all right, go ahead and get to work.